Here's a picture of both of our Avalanches. One is the copper color. Both of them are 2007. One copper, 40,000 miles, priced at $26,998. That one had 40,000 miles. It's an LS version, a special edition with the navigation. The bronze, or platinum color one, I guess it's platinum or silver. It's an 07 with 67,000 miles on it. The bronze color one has got the cloth interior, navigation, interior's in excellent condition. There's navigation. Turn the music down a little bit. No tears in the interior. Rear seat, excellent condition. No issues as far as scratches or dings. Great looking rims. No exterior issues that I could find. The bronze color one's got the alpine stereo system. Miles, 40,522. There's the navigation system, sound system, air conditioner, controls here. Please note that this one's got the DVD player inside it. Rear defroster. OnStar, monochromatic mirrors. Looks like it's got the PAA buttons there. Excellent vehicle. If you're interested, the interior of the platinum colored one or silver colored one was leather. They also in excellent condition with wood grain. It's an LTZ, whereas our copper one is an LS. Either one of these make a great vehicle for you. And I will give you a call after I get this posted. I can be reached at 865-687-2100. 865-687-2100. And again, my name is Preston. I'm from Lance Cunningham Ford.